A vessel contains 180 liters of mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio of 13:5. 54 liters of this mixture was taken out and replaced with 6 liters of water. What is the approximate percentage of water in the resultant mixture? Now here the question is asking us percentage of water. So what we'll do is solve this question with respect to water only. Alright, so here we have a vessel and the vessel contains 180 liters of mixture. So in this vessel there is 180 liters of mixture. Alright, and the mixture contains milk and water in the respective ratio of 13:4. So in this mixture the ratio of milk and water is 13:5. So that means 5 parts out of the total 18 parts is water here. So 5 parts out of total 18 parts in this 180 liters of mixture is water. So let's see how much water is there. 18 ones are and 5 tens are 50. So 50 liters of water is there. So in this 180 liters 50 is water. Now 54 liters of this mixture was taken out and replaced with 6 liters of water. First of all, now 54 liters of mixture is taken out. So from this 180 liters, 54 liters is taken out. Now how much water is there in this 54 liters? So 54 liters that has been taken out will be taken out in the same ratio of this 13:5. So again 5 parts out of total 18 parts in this 54 will be water. So 5 parts out of total 18 parts in this 54 will be water. So water here is 18 threes and 5 threes are 15. Water is taken out. So now we are left with 180, and from this 180 54 liters is taken out. So we are left with 126 liters of mixture, 126 liters of mixture, and from 50 15 water is taken out. So we are left with 50 minus 15, 35 water. All right, I hope everything is clear till now. Okay, so 54 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced with 6 liters of water. So in this mixture we are again adding 6 liters of water. So now the resultant mixture that we get here is, total mixture is, it was 126 and again 6 is added. So 126 plus 6 will be 132. So 132 liters of mixture is there, and 35 plus this 6, it will give me 41 water, and remaining is the milk, right? Question is asking us what is the approximate percentage of water in the resultant mixture. This is the resultant mixture, right? And in this we are asked percentage of water. So percentage of water, in order to calculate that, we have 41 water divided by total mixture. Total mixture is of 132, and we now multiply it with 100 to get the value in percentage. All right, now this value is not completely divisible. So what we'll do is we'll tweak some values in order to get the whole value. So instead of writing this 41, we'll write it as 44, and instead of writing it 100, I'll write it as 99, so that we can divide everything. We can cancel out everything. So here 4 ones are 4 ones are, 4 threes are 12, again 4 threes are 12, 3 ones are 3 ones are, and 3 threes are 3 threes are 9, 11 gone. So we are left with approximately 33 percentage of water, and the closest value to 33 here is B, 31%. So that means the value of the percentage of water here is 31%, and this is our required answer here. Option B is the correct one.